you ever felt that what is happening to you is very harsh, or that your past is treating you in a way in which you don't deserve to be treated that way, or that there is something which is weighing you down which you don't know that what you need to do and how? You are defined by your past. That is wrong. You are defined by the actions which you take after knowing that your past has become this way. But you need to make sure that you have to take certain steps that you don't become who you are and who you were in your past before. The problem with some people, or in general, whoever had a bad past, is three distinctive things. They can't move on. You anchor your identity to your past failures. You think that that is everything and that whatever you are thinking is the right thing to do, or that you're always supposed to feel this way or you're supposed to do this. And you think that there is no escape or there is no solution to this, but there is a solution. It is hard to see it honestly. Whoever is going through something, it is not easy to go through your past. Let it be a small thing as an exam, or let it be a big thing as someone has left your life, or some big thing has changed in your life. But how do we know that we have to move through it? But how do we get the courage to move through it? How do we change our identity step by step? Let's get started. Stop anchoring your identity to your past. What does that mean? That means that whatever part of you is not letting you move forward, which is not letting you go front, you need to sit down. You need to sit down with yourself, see that what is limiting you, what is making sure that you are not able to move forward. You take that one part of yourself and change it step by step. It is not easy to do, it is very hard to do it, but still you need to take the courage to take the first step and change yourself again. After that, you need to learn the lesson and the pain. You have gone through a lot of pain. I know that you have gone through a lot of pain and you are suffering a lot right now. But you have to move forward. You can't waste the present because of the past, because your future is getting wasted because of that. We don't want to waste the present nor the future. So we need to let go of the past no matter what. It is in your hands. It is in your hands to change what you want to be, but you need to make sure to have the courage to move it. At starting, it might feel hard. You need to make sure that you have to just take a small part of what you fear so much and learn from it. Your past is there to teach you a lesson, but not to remind you every single day that you are not enough. Even if you were not enough, it shows to tell that you can be more than this. You can get better. You can become a better version of yourself. Your past should be a reminder that you can always become better rather than you're someone who can't become better. After you do this, turn every regret into a new chapter. For example, I had to prepare for something, or I had to do something in some part of my life which I couldn't do it properly. Make sure to do that. Whatever is bothering you, do it to such a good extent that it won't bother you again. If there is some test you are not able to score, read the subject so well that it won't affect you again. Or if there is something which has happened to you, which is, let us take heartbreak for example. If you have gone through that, you have to make sure that you have to sit down with yourself. You have to tell you were in a different part of life. The person was in a different part of life and move on. Your past does not define you. Your past never defines you. What you do right now, what action you take after watching this, the fact that you click this video and you have the courage to make sure to watch this thing until the end tells that you want to change, tells that you're keeping one step forward to changing. All you have to do is move forward. Sit down, talk to yourself. You exactly know what is needed to be done. Take that one part of your brain which is telling you to do the opposite, that small voice which wants you to win. Listen to that voice. It is going to be hard, it is not going to be easy, but take action. You can move through your past. Thank you.